2006 Chrysler 300 Limited, all-wheel drive sedan, steel silver metallic, I believe is what they would have called this color. Light gray leather interior, bucket seats. Underneath the hood, 3.5 liter V6 paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Now this car, a little over 28,000 miles is all. Two-owner car, always been in the same town nearby us. Was actually sold new by one of our employees when he worked at a Chrysler dealership back in 2006. And as you can see, that grille, front fascia, paint shows very nice on it. Adult owned and driven car. If you want to see the still picture so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out, every angle, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory alloy wheels, Royal radials. You can see up and down the side of this, not full of nicks, dingers, scratches. Yeah, there's a few spots where there's a touch up here and there. You might have a little spot, but overall, considering age of the car, still shows very nice. A lot of good miles left in this one. There's your interior. Leather buckets, heated, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player, all the other amenities you're going to get on a late model car. And once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One little touch-up spot, notice back here too. But again, you can tell this car was well taken care of. So we're taking the time to do that to it. All-wheel drive badging. Again, 300 Limited. Less than 30,000 miles on this one. And we'll check out the odometer, exact miles, interior just a second. Again, if you want to check out still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, trunk, engine bay, undersides can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, up and down the driver's side, you can see paint shows well, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, there may be one here or there, but overall, get a good idea of the condition of the paint and how nice this car looks. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Check those exact miles. Start it up, let's hear it run. Here we go, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, door panels. It's one of those cars where there's floor mats on the floor mats, so I do have those taken out in the still picture so you'll be able to see carpeting, floor mats, the condition that they're in. Again, take a look at the seats. Also nice condition. No rips, tears, holes. As far as roof liner, also intact, good shape. Passenger seat and rear seats also in good condition. Check them out in the still pictures. All right, there's your exact miles. 28,751. Steering wheel controls, driver information center, radio controls. Speaking of radio, there it is, AM, FM, CD player. There's your dual electronic climate control, heated seat buttons down below that. Of course, automatic transmission with overdrive. You'd also have manual shift capabilities on that automatic. Dash, also in good shape. No warning indicators, anything like that on. As far as check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Tachometer works, all gauges working. Slip around to the rear of this and hear it run. Doesn't appear that anything has been modified. Sounds as you would expect. A stock 2006 Chrysler 300 Limited to sound. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Want to let you check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at that hood liner. Clean. Doesn't appear it's really been driven in much for inclement weather. And take a look at this engine bay. Of course, all the modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. This sounds smooth, that runs. Look how nice and tight it is. Wow. As you can see, 3.5 liter V6. AC blows cold. Technician's checklist on this one we went through. Our service department, all in the green. They checked all the boxes. Get in this one, turn the key and go. 2006 Chrysler 300 all-wheel drive sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.